Hi there. This is my latest, I'm trying to get this right for you. This is my latest junk journal. It is for DT and I will put the details under the video. And this is 10.5 by 5. So it's a tall, slim TN journal. Right, so front cover. I've got backing paper on it. And then I've put some of the beautiful material that I've got. I've added some rice paper just for interest. Then we've got the applique flower, excuse me, and of course a page from the actual kit. Coptic stitched. And that's your front view. Right, here we go. So there's not very many extras, but I've put in what there is. That's in the wrong way. Oh no. 2 Licklians there. Ah, the Licklians. And then this one as well. And you could take that off if you wanted to. It's on a what do they call them? Bulb pins. Just a little added interest on the page there. In here we've got 2 tickets in that little pocket there, and then we have a tag in that pocket. A lot of the tags and things are on very light card, and it's because otherwise excuse me, it would have a gaping alligator mouth. So I thought it would be wise to do that. Come on, I know you come out. Oh, missus, what's happened here? Let me take a look, see. I'm going to come back to that one and get that out, and if I have to, replace it. I've clearly put that in too soon, haven't I? Just a little side tuck there. 2 in there. And then we have this one here. We have this one here. And then we have these here. Well, it's a tag, and I've added 2 tiny tags and a ticket. And then we have that one there. Oops, can't open it now. There we go. And we also have that one there. We come over here. 3 tickets in there. We've got another tag there. And then we turn over and we have this. This has got, if I'm right, 2 in it. 2 Ickelans. And we have got, now I've lost it. Excuse me a second. There it is. There it is. And we've got the butterfly one in there. Some of these I've kept very plain to try and keep bulk out. There's space there and there. And then on this page we've got them 2. So we've got a side opening here, and then I've just stuck these into this to give it more added interest. Two in there. These are not from the kit. These are from my stash. And the tickets are from my stash as well. That one. I do like this patterning. My little punch. And then that opens out again if you need any more journaling space on this. But that's what all these little tickets are for, so you can write, I don't know, thoughts or things you need to do, how you're feeling. That's empty. One in there, that's not from the kit. You can't even see it, can you? It's that big. Right, so I'm hoping that you did see these. Right, so we have that there, and we have this little flip down, and it's got inside it all these little herb stickers. Well, it is about nature, so that's why I did that. Little ticket there, and there's a space there if you would like to use that. We have this, and that opens up again, and I've just put one little ticket in there, and you can use that as well. That's that. Two in here. This isn't from the kit, it's from a stash, from my stash, sorry, not a stash. Right, and you open that, more journaling. I can't remember if I did. Oh man, but it's not that long since I did it. I don't think that opens at all. This was off a masterboard that I did, and I thought it was quite apt with the roses and the leaves and the feather. This should have been in a pocket, but it's too big and I didn't want to cut it down any more than I have. So I've used it instead like this, so that I can pop these little cuties in there as well. So you didn't miss out on the big one. This is a little tuck spot. Tag, sorry, and a tuck spot. I've put these three nameplates in here that could be used within this journal or in another one. And then this isn't out of the kit, that's out of my stash. It says beauty. And we have this one in there. And that is, I've actually put them onto it just to give it a bit of interest, but you could still write over them if you wanted. This has just had little bits added to it, and my flower. There's a tuck spot here. Oh. Harvest honey. That should actually be in that way. And then we've got another butterfly one there behind this belly band. Just a little bit, a tiny bit of collage there. And then we've got this in here. It's getting very full, this. This in here. And this in here. What I would suggest is that you would... Oh, you can also... There's one there. And there's one there. That you space them out evenly. There's more there. Within this, so that you know you can put your own things in as well. Half belly band. Excuse me. Room in there. We have this little dainty tag there. We've got two little tags and a ticket. And behind here, we've got the one thing that I had left. So this is this wonderful book. This kit was fabulous to work with. And on the back, I've done a pocket holding a pocket. So I put that in for you to see. Now, did I leave this open? Yes. No, I didn't. So you've got this with the pocket in a pocket. Okay. There we go. So that is my DT for April. And the details will be in underneath this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've managed to see most of it. It's that big. And that's it. So thank you for your time. Please be kind to each other and stay safe. And as always, lots of love and loads of hugs. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.